Hey, it's Jacob here over at Cosmo Motors. Just go ahead and do a quick video walk around of this Excursion for you. Kind of just show you the ins and outs here real quick. Interior, this has not been detailed yet. This is honestly how we got it. Obviously we're going to do our full detail on everything here. Nice and clean back there. These seats are in really good shape. So bright side is it's going to be better. See, yeah, we got some candy wrappers. We'll get that cleaned up. They'll be like new. Just show you a little bit, like the seat here. It's got some wear and tear. It's pretty normal. There you got your 150,000 miles. Couple nicks and scratches on the hood, but for the year and the miles of the vehicle, it's in fantastic shape. This is a Texas truck, so it's going to be really clean underneath. Little spot there. Heated seats.